So Priyam, very good afternoon. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so nobody else is there, so let us start the class.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So yesterday we were studying about, so today is the last class actually, and
Yes, sir.
yesterday we were studying about your contract act, and we
Yes,
did
sir.
your discharge and performance of contract, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Today
sir.
what we will be doing is regarding your capacity to contract and consideration portion, and then this chapter will be complete in all the respect. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm just uploading that particular presentation on it. Then if somebody
Okay.
comes, then also it is okay. So otherwise, you and me will discuss the certain things, right? And we'll
Okay.
finish it up.
Okay.
Fine. So, so here we go. This is regarding your capacity to contract and consideration. Shubhang Mandania has also joined us. Welcome,
Yes, sir.
Shubhang.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, Shubhang, I am also fond of Royal Enfield. You might be knowing that.
Yes, sir.
So we have at least this thing in common. Yeah. So let us just take the things up. And yes, Priyam, can you read this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, carry on.
A a minor entered into a contract for borrowing a sum of rupees 40,000, out of which lender paid him a sum of rupees 18,000. A executed mortgage of property in favor of the lender. Is mortgage of property valid? Can lender enforce contract?
Yes. So what do you
Yes.
think?
Sir, I think Shubhang will answer this.
Okay, Shubhang, would you like to answer this?
सर स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही.
Okay. So Shubhang, ऐसा है ना कि there is a contract, right, between a minor. So minor has entered into a contract, right? And
Yes, sir.
you can say he has entered into a contract for he has borrowed 40,000 rupees from someone, okay, and was able to repay only 18,000. And as a security, he has kept his property, maybe his house or so. He might have kept something as his property for as a mortgage. Now, is this mortgage of property a valid one? Means if he want, if he is a minor is someone who is less than the age of 18 years,
It,
and
yes, sir.
normally minors are considered as bachas.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you think, whether he will be able to execute this means mortgage, the major, the person who has given him 40,000 rupees, only 18,000 he was able to return, remaining rupees are still pending.
No, sir, he is not able to
Why?
because sir, he is a minor, na.
Because contract with the minor is void ab initio.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hope you are able to see the screen now.
No, sir, अभी भी नहीं दिख रही.
Still not?
करके वापस ज्वाइन करता हूँ.
हाँ, कोई बात कर लो.
हाँ,
Yeah, yes, Priyam. Priyam, read
Yes,
read
sir.
read this answer.
Uh, Mortgage of property is not valid in favor of lender. Lender can't enforce contract against minor. Minor can't be promisor, but he can be promise. Any agreement entered into by minor is
Hmm.
void. Loan taken by minor is void from the beginning. Mortgage of property is created as a part of this agreement, and therefore it is not valid to enforceable.
Hmm. Okay, hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Hardik Raheja, Hardik Raheja. अरे हार्दिक, टुडे इज लास्ट क्लास यार, कुछ बोल लो तो अच्छा है. यस, अरविंद बिश्नोई. Arvind?
Yes,
Arvind,
sir.
can you see the question on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you read it out and answer this?
Okay, sir. Let me check, sir.
Yeah,
A
carry
is
on.
A is a minor. B approaches A for a loan on a basis of a mortgage of a house owed by the B. Hence, A advances the money and B executed a mortgage in favor of A. A minor is mortgage property valid. Can minor enforce contract against B?
Yeah. So what do you think?
Sir, A is a minor. B approaches.
Yes, Arvind.
Let me check, sir. एक minute. Hence, A
Okay.
advances the
Mihir Agarwal. Mihir Agarwal. Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Pranav. Answer this. Is this mortgage a valid one? Or can it
No,
be
sir.
executed?
A is a minor, so it would be void from initial.
Okay, it is void ab initio. Surbhi, what do you say?
Sir, I don't know.
Hmm?
Sir, I just joined, so I don't know.
Okay. Pranav, read this.
Mortgage of property in favor of minor is valid. Minor can enforce contract against B. Minor can be promisee. If the minor is promisee, he can enforce any agreement. In the given case, minor has lent money. Here is a promisor. He has right to recover money as well as enforce mortgage against B.
Yes. So here the things are totally different from the previous one. So minor can always be a beneficiary. Okay. So for his benefit, he can execute and he can, file a suit against the other person to just recover the property or whatever. Right. But in case if minor has mortgaged some property, that cannot be recovered. Right. Because it is void ab initio. But someone who is having a knowledge of that void, the contract is void ab initio and has entered into the contract, at that time that person will be held responsible for whatsoever he is entering into. Right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Surbhi, now you just read this and answer this.
So the sixth one.
Yeah, this one which is on your screen now.
Okay. A minor draws check in favor of B. On attaining majority, A makes out a fresh check in lieu of the old one, with check issued by minor is valid. Explain reason.
Yeah. Which check is it is not which check, whether the check issued by minor is valid or not. Just read it. Yeah, just take it like that. Yeah. Tell me, is it valid or what?
So wait.
Huh? Come
So
on.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Haven't you studied this contract act before? Don't say you if I don't know. It means I have not
Sir,
taught
I
you.
didn't understand this.
Huh?
Sir, I didn't understand this.
See, that you can say that I will make you understand. It's my duty. Now, what has happened over here is that there was a person. Okay, minor is means he has actually approached. You can say he has drawn a check. Matlab means being a minor, he wanted to pay some money to someone. So someone might have influenced, or I don't know what has happened. A minor has drawn a check in favor of B. Means A
B.
who is a minor, has drawn a check in favor of B. Now what happens? The check was with B itself. He might be knowing that he cannot enforce it, or I don't know why he has not taken the payment out of that check. On attaining the majority, means after becoming 10 of 18 years, uh, in the lieu of the previous check which he has given, he has issued a fresh check of the same amount. Okay, now he is major. Previously he was minor. Now whether the check issued by minor is valid or not, that is what we want to know. That is this check enforceable if this person B, who is a major, can take the payment of this check. That is what is to be addressed over here. Hope you understand.
Sir, I guess it will. Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
tell,
I guess it will be valid.
it will be valid. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Sir, I really can't. Like, I don't know. I'm not.
Whatever means, if you say it is valid, then tell the reason why you are saying. There might be something in your mind you are saying that this is valid one. Hardly matters. Let it be wrong. No problem. We all are here to learn. Come on.
Sir, I really don't know. I'm not able to understand. I don't want to answer anything wrong, so I really don't know.
Okay, Tanish Agarwal. Tanish Agarwal. Ujjwal Gupta. Yashasvi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yashasvi. Please tell.
Sir, the check would be valid because the first check, it is not valid because as if he's a minor, but in the second case, he's a major now. So yes, it is valid.
Okay. Can you just read this out?
Check issued by minor is not valid. Minor cannot be promisor, therefore he can't issue check. Fresh check issued by minor is in lieu of old one. Issue of fresh check is issue a fresh check in lieu of old one amount as rectification of transaction. Minor can't rectify the contract which he had entered into during course of minority.
Because when he has entered into this contract, when he was a minor one, at that time, somebody might have befooled him, or it is understood by the court that he has not taken a mature decision when he was a minor. So now when he has become a major, he has been set to ratify that decision which he has taken before. So that's why the fresh check issued in the lieu of the previous one is not valid. Had this check been a fresh check, means not in the lieu of the previous one, it would have been valid one, right? Okay. Yashasvi?
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Fine. So Priyam Soni. Yeah, read this question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
सर ये विजिबल नहीं है, 1 मिनट सर, विजिबल नहीं है.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Teji, a minor, broke his right leg in a football match. He engaged Curewell, a doctor, to set it. Does the doctor have the valid claim for his services? Give reason.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Priyam.
Pranav, sir. Pranav. Yes, sir.
What?
Pranav.
What, Pranav?
I mean, Pranav will answer this question, sir.
So, why you are just jumping on everyone to just answer? I want you to answer this. You are just reading the question and just giving it to someone to answer.
Sir, I'm giving chance to everyone.
No. That is my role. I will give chance to everyone. So this chance is yours now. Yes, Priyam.
सर वो माइनर है इसलिए डॉक्टर उससे पैसे नहीं लेगा, एक देखा जाए तो माइनर है क्योंकि वो.
अच्छा, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल तुमको कोई माइनर मिलता, उसका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता सड़क के ऊपर, उसको वहीं छोड़ के आ जाओगे क्या?
नहीं सर, लेके आऊंगा.
छोड़ोगे, फिर क्या करोगे?
हॉस्पिटल ले जाके उसकी
हॉस्पिटल लेके गए, हॉस्पिटल वालों ने बोला भैया ये इसके लिए 5,000 रुपए लगेंगे, अभी दोगे कि नहीं दोगे?
देने पड़ेंगे सर।
देने पड़ेंगे ना, तो वो जो देने पड़ेंगे वो माइनर से वसूलोगे नहीं?
नहीं सर, वो इंसानियत होती है थोड़ी।
कोई बात नहीं। यस प्रणव, you would like to answer this? Mansi?
Yes, sir. Doctor has a valid
Pranav.
claim for service.
Yes.
Yeah, hold on Mansi. Yeah, Pranav.
Sir, doctor has a duty to perform to treat all the age group patients.
Okay.
So his service would be valid.
So his service would be
Valid.
नहीं, वैलिड तो सर्विस तो सारी सर्विसेज वैलिड होती है बेटा, बट डॉक्टर इज आस्किंग फॉर हिज फी फ्रॉम ए माइनर, विल ही सक्सीड और नॉट?
Sir, then the minor's guardian or parents would be one to pay for this for his service.
Okay, so if the minor is not having any guardian, then Priyam Soni has actually taken him to the doctor. Now you are a doctor, okay? Now will you ask for money or not?
So
Priyam
parents
rule
and
is over.
guardian to
Priyam will not pay. Don't worry, Priyam. You need not to pay. So Pranav, you are a doctor.
Yes sir.
And will you ask for money or not? Or not Pranav?
हाँ सर, मनी तो मांगेंगी।
भाई रोजी रोटी है तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
यस
बट
सर।
वो माइनर है, वो मना कर दे तो
वो भी सर।
हाँ
सही, अब मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया सर।
कंफ्यूज मत हो, ये पढ़ो।
Yes, doctor has valid claim for his service. Minor can enter into contract for necessity. Medical services are considered as necessity, but doctor can't claim anything against minor, but he can recover it from property or minor of any.
ठीक है?
Yes sir.
गुड। ये भी सिमिलर ही है। मीर अग्रवाल, लक्ष्य शर्मा, कनिक्स बिलोची, यस, उज्जवल गुप्ता, विशाल चौधरी, यस मानसी, जयंत द्विवेदी, जयंत।
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mansi, I will just ask you to take the next question. This Jayant will answer. Yes, Jayant. Jayant Dwivedi. Beta,
Yes,
read
sir.
this question. Yeah, read this question. Jayant,
Amit,
read this loudly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Amit, 16 years of age, fractures his leg while playing cricket. He goes to a doctor and gets his leg plastered. The doctor demands a fee of ₹1,000, but Amit refuses to pay on ground that he is a minor. The doctor files a suit against Amit. While the doctor succeed, give reason.
Yes, बताओ. Will doctor succeed? Jayant?
No, sir.
He will not succeed?
No, sir.
अभी पिछले वाले एग्जाम्पल में तो पढ़ा था कि भाई डॉक्टर कैन claim his services because he is a minor and the minor can enter into a contract for necessities.
और डॉक्टर के लिए तो सर कुछ भी नहीं है ना सर।
है
डॉक्टर के लिए तो
डॉक्टर
अगर सर अमित देगा ही नहीं तो सर
नहीं, डॉक्टर फिर ही कैन फाइल अ सूट ना। अगर अमित नहीं देगा तो डॉक्टर उससे वसूलेगा, केस करेगा।
पर अमित के पास सर रीजन है सर।
अगर डॉक्टर ऐसा करता है तो वसूल सकता है क्या केस करके?
यस सर वसूल।
हाँ
और सर अमित के पास रीजन तो है ना।
अरविंद बिश्नोई, अरविंद,
यस सर।
या डॉक्टर वसूल सकता है पैसे कि नहीं वसूल सकता माइनर से?
सर क्यों नहीं ले सकता सर?
है
माइनर से सर ले तो सकते हैं सर, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत
ले
नहीं है।
सकता है, अगर उसको केस करना पड़े जैसे इस केस में हुआ है तो।
सर एक लेट मी रीड सर। फ्रैक्चर इज वेल प्लेइंग क्रिकेट ही कॉल डॉक्टर एंड गेट इट like master the doctor demand fees ₹1000 damage refused based on when doctor file suit against Amit. सर माइनर के सामने सर केस करने से सर कुछ नहीं होगा। बाकी सर केस कर सकता है कि सर को फोर्सफुली सर को देने ही पड़ेंगे सर।
केस कर सकता है पर
मतलब पैसे तो देने ही पड़ेंगे सर माइनर को सर। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा थोड़ा ना होता सर, फ्री में थोड़ा ना कुछ होता है।
या पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो।
Yes, doctor has a valid claim for his service. Minors can enter in a contract for necessary medical services are considered as necessary, but the doctor can't claim anything against minor, but he can recover it from property of minor if any.
ठीक है, पर्सनली तो नहीं लेकिन उसकी प्रॉपर्टी से रिकवर कर सकता है वो। ठीक है जी,
ठीक है जी सर। आप मेरे से ऐसे कई बार जाना पड़ता था, लेते थे नहीं सर डॉक्टर।
तो माइनर थोड़ी हो यार।
सर माइनर ही हूँ सर। अभी तो 18 का हुआ सर पिछले साल। अभी तो 19 रनिंग है सर।
तो बेटा 18 के हो गए ना, अब माइनर वाला भ्रम छोड़ दो। अब माइनर नहीं हो, सीधा जेल जाओगे अगर कुछ गड़बड़ करी तो।
अभी है सर, अभी 3 महीने है सर।
ठीक है ना।
1 महीना बचा सर।
है?
1 महीना बचा सर।
अच्छा 1 महीना बचा अभी मेजर होने में।
हाँ
ठीक है, कर लो फिर मजे लॉकडाउन के अंदर जो करने हैं।
यस सर।
चलो ठीक है, गुड। यस मानसी।
Yes, sir.
या
If and debt and give them a discount, is this consideration valid? I don't think so. This is valid.
you don't think what? You're still not in the good network, I suppose.
I'm sorry,
Yeah,
sir.
Yeah, I'm telling you, your network is not proper even today. Anyways, would you like to answer this?
Yeah. So
Yeah, surely.
yeah. So I said that I don't think so. This will be considered valid because like A promises to pay, like he has to pay. So the discount is तो आने नहीं चाहिए ना. He has to pay.
Very correct. Very correct. Now read this. Yes, Mansi, read this.
Yeah, consideration is not valid. Valid consideration must be something different from the existing liabilities of party. Creditor is required to pay debt regularly to debtor. By doing so, creditor is performing his existing liability.
Got it? So he's required to pay because
Yes.
it is not like that consideration will not work over here. So you need not to have another because you have already taken money, and for it will be just like that somebody has taken 2,000 rupees and now he's not returning and he's asking I will return only if you give me a discount. This is not the way. Okay. Is it clear? Mansi, is it clear? Ritik Yadav. Ritik Yadav. Tanish Agarwal. Tanesh. Okay, Yashasvi, you read this.
Anurag promises to pay rupees 11,000 to the management committee of a school by way of donation. The management committee, on the basis of Anurag's promise, get a water purifier system installed in the school at the cost of rupees 8,000 on credit. Now Anurag refuses to pay the donation. What is the remedy available to management committee of the school?
Yeah.
Give reason.
This is a donation, right? And donation is always given by willingness. Okay, and Anurag has promised to pay rupees 11,000 as a donation to a management committee of might be some school in the rural area. Okay, and this management committee, on the basis of his promise, has installed a water purifier of rupees 8,000. Amount to be paid was 11,000. 8,000 water purifier they have established. Now what happened? Anurag, who promised to pay the donation, now he has refused to pay the donation. So donation is a donation. Nobody can force me to pay. So what is the remedy available to the management? Because what happened now? They are also struck. They are struck because they have taken one water purifier of 8,000 and that too on credit. Now who will pay it off? So what will happen in this case? Any opinion of anyone else? Yeah.
So the management has to pay the rupees, the cost they have, installed the purifier. They have to pay that, but they cannot force Anurag to, give the donation, because as if you told, sir, donation is on willingness. At previous he was willing to give, but right now he is not willing to give. So sir, management cannot do in this case anything.
But on his promise that he will give donation, the management has acted on his promise only. Okay, and they have spent 8,000 and that too on credit. This water purifier wala is having no option otherwise to just either take means even if, because water purifier once it has been installed, it has now become old. Okay, it has already been installed on the wall or whatever they have done, and 8,000 rupees is due.
So sir, they can ask Anurag to pay 8,000 to give 8,000 rupees instead of 11,000.
Okay, ultimately Pranav has to pay. Is it so?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
The reason is because
cannot.
Sorry, sir.
Can't Pawan refuse that it is a donation. It's I will pay or not pay totally upon me. I am not given. You are not giving me any consideration in exchange of the donation. Why should I pay you?
So you are confusing.
I will confuse you.
Sir, I don't know, sir. See, 11,000 so I don't think like the management can ask Anurag to pay 8,000, 11,000 की जगह.
Okay.
बाकी sir, I don't know now.
अच्छा, suppose ये water purifier 11,000 का ही होता तो?
See, लेते हो तो फिर उनको अनुराग को फिर 11,000 देने पड़ते सर. वो मैनेजमेंट वाले बोलते कि भाई तुमने प्रॉमिस किया है, तुम्हें देना तो पड़ेगा. यदि तुम प्रॉमिस मत करते.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, Mansi.
Yeah, sir, like it's written in the question, Anurag promised. So what if later he says कि हाँ मैंने किया अब नहीं है, what if he lies? मतलब कोई contract तो नहीं उसने sign किया.
ये promise तुम समझ लो, ये promise जो है ना, ये contract ही है. Donation को कोई return में थोड़ी लिख के देता मैं दूंगा. But ये sufficient proof है हमारे पास में कि अनुराग ने promise किया था और वो खुद भी मान रहा है कि मैंने ये promise किया था कि मैं जो है इतने पैसे दे दूँ.
But sir, I feel that promise is a very informal word when it comes to business laws. Like if he has signed a contract or something.
Don't mistake it. Don't mistake it. Promise, if you are saying you have done a promise, it can be enforced in the court of law. That is the reason, Mansi, you have not studied my subject right from the beginning. Otherwise, you would have understood each and everything. Go through my videos, offer and acceptance, and regarding this consideration itself. Okay, all are there on the web, I suppose. Some videos I have missed because I was not able to, either record it or I'm not able to download it because time lapsed. But almost all are there. So promise is a very important word.
Yeah, sir, that's the worst part, that I'm not studied the subject from the beginning, because I really like it. Like, I'm really enjoying it. But yeah, I would see your videos on YouTube.
Yeah,
Study
yeah.
myself.
You can always see. And here the promise means a promise has been done. Okay, Mansi. So here now the question is not of the promise, Mansi. The question is of the consideration. Are you getting my point?
So then I would say, yeah, then I would say then it is valid if he has promised to make donations and he's even agreeing. Then I guess they can, the management committee can take an action.
Mansi, read this loudly. You've got it?
Like, I cannot see the slide change. No, sir, I can't see the slide changed. It's still on the question.
Okay. This was the question and this is the change. Okay, Yashasvi, you read it. Yashasvi?
So the slide has not came, it's question only. I'm also not able to see the answer.
Okay, just hold on, hold on.
Yeah, sir, I can see it now.
Okay, fine. Carry on then.
Okay,
Carry on.
the contract is binding on Anurag.
Sorry.
Gracious promise can't be in. But if the promise is put to some loss as a result of his sitting on the pay
Got it, Bansi? Yeah, I will read it for all of you.
Sir, I got it.
You got it. So Anurag promised to pay rupees 1,000 to the management committee of the school by way of a donation, right? This is I think this is okay. Yeah. So the contract is binding on Anurag because gratuitous promise can't be enforced as it is without consideration. But if the promise is to put some loss, now if promises is putting some loss as a result of the citing of on the faith of the promiser, the promisee knows the purpose. Okay, so promiser would be bound by the promise. Management committee has undertaken liability on the faith of Anurag's promise. That's why Anurag will be bound to just make the payment. Okay. Fine. Chaliye. Who will take this last question? Come on, let me see who will volunteer. Yes, Deepthi. Yeah, was just watching for you that where you have gone. You have joined very late today, Deepthi.
सर नेटवर्क इश्यूज हो रहे थे तो लेट
कोई
हो
बात
गया
बेटा अब ठीक है. Can you say this?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
go on, answer this.
So should I read it loudly?
Yeah, please read it.
X transferred his house to his daughter M by way of gift. The gift deed executed by X contained.
Yeah. Deepthi, unmute. Yeah.
Executed by X contained a direction that M shall pay a sum of rupees 5,000 per month to N. The sister of consequently, M executed on instrument in favor of N agreeing to pay the said sum. Afterwards, M refused to pay the sum to N, saying because no consideration had moved from her decide what reasons under the provision of the Indian Act Contract 1872 whether M is liable to pay the sum to N.
So the house was transferred in the name of M, right? On the condition that M will keep on paying N a sum of rupees 5,000 per month. right? And what happened after some time, when maybe when X might have died, so M refused to pay anything to N. Okay, so N then file a suit against M that why you are not paying me, because it has been promised, it is in the deed and all, everything written. So what M is saying now is that as you have not given anything to me, why should I pay you? So the thing is that whether he should, whether M will be forced to, or M will be made to pay the amount of rupees 5,000 per month to N or not. Yes, Dipti. Come on.
सर थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है.
कंफ्यूजिंग कहाँ है? कंसिडरेशन का क्वेश्चन है भाई. एक एग्रीमेंट हुआ कि मैं आपको एक मकान दे रहा हूं, ठीक है? मकान देने का एग्रीमेंट ये है, आपके नाम पे कर देता हूं, लेकिन एग्रीमेंट ये है कि भाई मेरा एक भाई है, उसको आप हर महीने 5,000 रुपए देते रहना, मेरे मरने के बाद भी और आगे भी. ठीक है, ये मैंने एग्रीमेंट कर लिया, गिफ्ट डीड भी कर दी और गिफ्ट भी एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया. ठीक है, अब जिसको मैंने गिफ्ट दिया, कुछ टाइम तक जब तक मैं जिंदा था तब तक तो उसने जो है उसको पेमेंट करते रही. उसके बाद जैसे मैं मर गया उसके बाद में उसने जो है पेमेंट करना ही बंद कर दिया. तो जिसको पेमेंट मिल रहा था बेचारे को, उसको जो है वो नुकसान हो गया. तो अब मुझे बताओ कि उसने क्या किया, फाइल सूट किया उसके अगेंस्ट कि भाई मुझे पेमेंट लेना है. तो उसने मना कर दिया, बोले कि तुमने मुझे कुछ दिया तो है नहीं, कोई कंसिडरेशन तो दिया नहीं है, तो मैं तुमको क्यों दूं. तो अब मुझे बताओ कि ये जो वो जो बंदा है जो जिसको 5,000 रुपए पर मंथ मिल रहा था, वो रिकवर कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. जस्ट टेल मी.
सर नहीं कर सकता रिकवर.
क्यों?
क्योंकि सर जो दे रहा था इज एम दी, मतलब सर अपने कल जब बात किए थे वो लीगल हायर की बात हो रही थी. तो यहाँ पे एम इज द लीगल हायर. वो
हाँ, एम इज लीगल हायर. एम इज लीगल हायर ऑफ एक्स.
सर हो सकता है. देन सर इट्स लायबल.
देन
एम विल हैव टू पे एन.
ओके, फाइन. बट व्हाट इज द ग्राउंड ऑफ दैट? Ground is that consideration is not necessary to be moved from the promisee only. Read this loudly. Dipti?
M is liable to pay said sum to N. Consideration need not necessarily move from the party itself. It may move from any other person. Same reason apply here. Consideration has moved from X to M.
So consideration has moved from X to M. उसके कंसिडरेशन में ये बात हुई थी कि आप इसको 5,000 रुपए पर मंथ देते रहोगे और इसने एग्री किया था. ठीक है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is the end of the class today and the end of the classes also today. I will not bother you more from tomorrow, right? But we have to go for 2 remedial classes in which we may discuss something which is of use of everyone. So I think I have already sent the link for the remedial classes on your groups. If any of you want to join those classes, you are most welcome. Otherwise, it is compulsory for those who have received my email on the calendar of whom this is appearing. So you must appear.
Sir, everyone can
everyone and anyone can join that class. I have given the link for it. So those who have not received the email, they can join by link. So link is already on your WhatsApp group. So from
sir,
there,
so you're going to cover all the chapters, yeah?
No, I will be asking for the problems for the existing students. If they want me, or if any of you who has joined the class want me to cover some topics, I will take that topic.
Okay, sir.
So two remedial classes are there. One will happen tomorrow and one day after tomorrow, right? So meanwhile, we will be having a quiz today of negotiable instruments, right? So you can have that quiz at 1:30. Fine. So that is what you can do. Okay, so anything you would like to tell, or you would like to? What I want today is that because it's the last class, so I want all of you to on your videos so that we can have one group photograph also. So please on your videos wherever you are, howsoever you are, you all are very good looking, as I too am. So on your videos, and let's see each other and see off each other also, because afterwards this might be the last class. And even if you have some feedback for me, if you want me to improve on certain things, please tell me, so that I will work on it and try to improve my teaching in the further classes too. So any other thing if you would like to tell me, or anything regarding marks or assignments, anything you would like to tell, then please tell it over here, because otherwise group is also, yeah, our group is there, so there you can raise the issue regarding your assignment or anything, then I will answer you over there itself, or I will, or if there is a chance of marks to be adjusted accordingly, will be done. Okay, and one thing you need not to worry about is that the attendance, there is nobody I'm going to detain, and nobody will be failed in my subject, that is for sure. But the thing is that how much we have learned, that is more important. How we have interacted, that is also more important. So I would like to just ask you one by one. So
Sir?
Akash, would you like to say, yeah, Dipti, what you want
Sir,
to say?
what
Yeah.
about the exams, like the final exams?
Exams beta, even I am not aware. So soon you will be getting information from your HOD. I think will be a better person to talk about. So here I would like you to just share some of your views or something like that which you want to share with me. So Dipti, please on your video if you don't mind. Yeah. Mansi, you are
Sir,
there.
I'm trying, but it's not happening.
Yes,
I
sir.
think there's issue.
So any of you, please on your videos so that we can see each other. We will have a group photo also. Jayant, Surbhi, Pranav, Yashasvi, Priyam, Akash, Arvind, yeah, Yashasvi. Good. So others also. Yes, Mansi, Jayant.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Namaste. Yes.
Sir, am I visible?
Not yet, but I think if you try, you will be able to. Mansi was visible for some time. Yeah, good. Yeah, Dipti, now
Yeah,
you are
sir.
visible.
Just network issue.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. मानसी थोड़ा पीछे होगी तो तुम्हारा चेहरा साफ दिखेगा, because half of your face is coming.
Is it fine, sir?
हाँ, that's good. या सुरभि, प्रणव, प्रियम, लड़कियों ने ऑन कर लिया, तुम लोगों को शर्म आनी चाहिए भाई.
करते हैं सर, करते हैं.
या किसी को मुंह दिखाने लायक नहीं रहे तो बात अलग है. इतना क्या शर्मा रहे हो यार तुम लोग. यस प्रियम, वेरी गुड. बट आंखें नहीं दिख रही तुम्हारी, थोड़ा सही रखो कैमरे को और put it at some stable place. Yes, Surbhi, Pranav, Akash, come on. सिर्फ यशस्वी ने सही तरीके से रखा हुआ, और ये दीप्ति ने भी चेहरा पूरा दिख रहा है जो. हाँ, यस, ये भी एक आर्ट है, पता है. हाउ यू सेट, हाउ मच यू कवर द स्क्रीन, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वे. जयंत कहीं पे रख दे मोबाइल और थोड़ा पीछे होके बैठ, तब तेरा देखेगा पूरा चेहरा ढंग से. हाँ, ये हुई ना बात. आकाश जैन, ये बाबा जी का फोटो क्यों लगा रखा है तुमने यार? अरविंद, वेयर आर यू? ऋत्विक, शुभांग, सुरभि, विशाल चौधरी, तनिष, अरविंद बिश्नोई, कहाँ गए भाई? चलो फाइन, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ स्क्रीनशॉट नाउ।
सर आगे
हाँ वेरी गुड। तैयार वैयार हो क्या है? जोरदार।
अरे सर सो के उठा था सर, आपने बुलवा लिया तो आगे मुंह धो के आया था, उन्होंने मुंह धो के तो चलो सर का।
कोई बात, सुरभि भी तैयार होने गई थी शायद।
हाँ सर गई थी।
हाँ दोनों इकट्ठे ही खिंचा लो, तुम दोनों एक साथ आ जाओ, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं। या चलो, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ स्क्रीनशॉट नाउ। ओके प्रियम, तेरी फोटो नहीं दिख रही बेटा, गला ही दिख रहा है खाली, और अरविंद का भी।
सर गला इतना बड़ा दिख रहा है पूरा, मतलब फोटो।
अरे बॉडी नहीं दिखानी है यहाँ पे, अपने को चेहरा दिखाना है बेटा, सबको पता है आप जिम जाते हो।
बॉडी यही कहाँ बेचारेगी।
हाँ ये अरविंद थोड़ा सही करो अपना मोबाइल जैसे रखा हुआ है। प्रियम थोड़ा ऊपर।
ठीक है।
यस रेडी, सी हियर। प्रियम थोड़ा चेहरा सही नहीं दिख रहा है, अरविंद थोड़ा सा ऊपर करो ना यार।
सर इससे ऊपर तो सर अब हाथ दुखने लग गया है।
सर अभी दिख गया।
मैं अभी आपको दिखा देता हूँ आपकी फोटो कैसी आ रही है।
अरे नहीं सर, आप फोटो मत दिखाइए, बहुत बुरी आई होगी।
नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो? ये तो एक तो डन हो गई आपकी। या कोई और आया है क्या अभी उसके बाद में? चलो एक और फाइनली वन मोर। ओके
यस सर।
चलो यस। मानसी कहाँ चली गई? एक स्टेबल रखना जयंत, एक जगह रख मोबाइल को।
सर बीच भी गया।
यस ये 2 done guys.
थैंक यू सर।
Thank you all of you. You want to
सर
see?
कॉलेज। यस सर। सर कॉलेज खुले कुछ है? एग्जाम्स कॉलेज में होंगे, ऑफलाइन होंगे या फिर ऑनलाइन?
यार मैं अब कुछ नहीं कह सकता अभी।
पहले ये तो कल हम
तो चाहता हूँ ऑफलाइन हो एग्जाम्स आपके, बट अब देखो अब व्हाट कैन बी डन, देखते हैं क्या रहता
होंगे कि नहीं
है।
एग्जाम होंगे कि नहीं?
हाँ सर ये सवाल पूछा सर इसने ऐसा।
उन्हें तो चाहिए,
उन्हें तो चाहिए सर। सुबह सर से पूछा, उन्होंने कही कि अभी तो हमें ही नहीं पता।
ऐसा ही है। लो ये देखो फोटो कैसा है।
सर आपका तो बढ़िया ही आया होगा।
मेरा तो देखो, मैं तो रोज तैयार होके बैठता हूँ तुम्हारे सामने कैमरा ऑन करके।
सर अभी तो हम भी तैयार होके बैठे थे।
हमको भी सर नाच लेते सर,
तैयार होके
सर।
आपको लास्ट क्लास में बताना था, हम लोग भी तैयार होके बैठते।
बेटा अभी और
रेमेडियल
क्लासेस वगैरह है अभी।
सर बहुत से लोग हैं जो नाचे नहीं आए।
दूंगा प्लीज, आप लोग सब वेलकम हो, उसमें भी आइए, ज्वाइन कीजिए। वी विल हैव सम फन आल्सो। ओके सर, वी विल डिस्कस सर्टेन गुड थिंग्स।
सर पढ़ाई के अलावा कोई फन कराओ तो
पढ़ाई तो रेमेडियल क्लासेस, कोई वीडियो देख लेगा ना तुम्हारा तो मेरे को जो निकाल देंगे यहाँ से, बोलेंगे कि ये रेमेडियल क्लास में
सर तो उसका वीडियो बनाने ही मत ना, रिकॉर्ड ही मत करना सर।
सर मुझे